Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we going to checking out 5 best MIG welder under $1,000 you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best MIG welder under $1,000 in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 pick is Hobart 500,554 MIG welder. It is thus not too much hassle to find a socket that can provide power to the appliance. Another critical area is the maximum output. Concerning wire diameter, you can see you have various options to pick from, as well. The initial settings listed are not only there for wire diameters. This is in addition to the dual gauge regulator built into the tool. However, one should as well note that there are some extra purchases they will have to make if they need to make full use of the machine. Among them is safety equipment in addition to shielding gas. Let's watch more.
Hi, I'm Shane with Hobart Welding Products. Today we're going to take a look at the Hobart Handler 190. This is a 230 volt, 190 amp wire feed welder. Comes complete with 10-foot MIG gun, regulator, 5-foot gas hose, ground cable with heavy duty clamp, and a sample spool of flux core wire and some tips so you can weld right out of the box. Looking at the front of the Handler 190, you'll see the variable wire feed speed control, the 7 tap settings allowing you to weld down to 24 gauge but with enough power to weld up to 5/16 single pass mild steel. Taking a look inside the Handler 190, you'll notice the cast aluminum drive system and the quick change lever that allows you to quickly change over from flux core to solid wire. The drive roll removes easily and goes back on very simply. Also has the 8-inch spool adapter so you can run the large spools or the small spools, and also has the spool gun, MIG gun toggle switch allowing you to add the Spool Runner 100 spool gun to this unit to run aluminum. Just like all Hobart wire feed welders, this unit features the quick welding chart on the back side of the door. This allows for easy setup of your machine. Just choose the material you'll be welding, the thickness of material you'll be welding, and then it will tell you exactly where to set your wire feed speed and your voltage. If you're looking to weld aluminum, then adding the Spool Runner 100 spool gun is a great option. Part number is 300-796. Quickly and easily installs on this unit with no adapters needed. So that was your look at the Hobart Handler 190. This unit was proudly designed and manufactured in Troy, Ohio, USA, and backed by one of the best warranties in the business. If you're looking for a quality made, powerful machine with a warranty to back it up, give the Handler 190 a try. For more information on the Hobart Handler 190 or any of the other great products from Hobart, visit our website, hobartwelders.com.
Our second best MIG welder under $1,000 is Lincoln Electric 180. This is concerning the welding process types provided by the two devices. Both offer options for MIG as well as flux core welding. You can also see that the duty cycle is almost identical. Nevertheless, there have to be some areas that set these two machines apart. An example is the cast aluminum gearbox. The benefits of this component are quiet operation in addition to extra drive torque. Included in the package is a welding gun that you can attach to the 10-feet cable that the manufacturer provides. Also, this tool offers one of the more forgiving welding arcs in the market. As such, it shouldn't prove a huge hassle for newbies to figure things out. Number 3 in our list is 2020 Weldpro 200 amp. The output power of the device seems to take the cake as the most powerful of all options on our list. This as well has a significant bearing on the duty cycle. Users looking for a lightweight machine will view this as a forerunner in their purchase. Options.The dimensions also paint the picture of a compact machine. You can thus expect more useful features in the design. Advanced inductive settings, for example, are included. Also, once they have these settings noted down somewhere, they can easily repeat using them on future projects. Let's watch more about this product.
What's up everybody, it's Luke from Weldpro. Today I am here with the awesome MIG 200 multi-process welder. Got it here behind me in the box. I want to go ahead and take this thing out of the box for you today and show you exactly what comes in it so when you order, you know what to expect. First thing you'll find in the top is your owner's manual. Keep this handy for reference as you're setting up the welder. The second thing you pull out is going to be the accessory and parts box. We'll go through this here in just a second. And in the bottom of your box, you'll find your MIG 200. These machines are absolutely beautiful. Very nice control surface on the front, tactile buttons and rotary knob, great enamel finish, and quality parts all the way around. Inside this machine, you've got an all-metal drive system. We'll talk a little more about the machine itself in part 2, the setup video, where we show you how to adjust the interface, set up wire, and attach everything to this machine. Let's break open this parts box and see exactly what's inside. The MIG 200 is a dual voltage machine. It'll run on 220 volts or 110 volts AC. The MIG 200 comes with a dual voltage adapter. Simply plug in the 220 volt plug from the machine into the adapter and it converts to 110 volts. In the box, you'll locate your ground clamp with the cable attached. This is an awesome ground clamp with a strong spring. You'll also find your stinger or your electrode holder. These are high quality electrode holders and work extremely well for a long time. Next, we find the gas hose. This will allow us to connect our flow meter to our machine. Speaking of flow meters, there is a very nice brass flow meter that comes with the MIG 200. It's found in this white box. We'll go ahead and leave it in here for now so it's protected until we install it. Next thing to come out is the TIG torch. The MIG 200 is a multi-process welder, therefore it's capable of running DC TIG. The TIG torch that comes with it has a hand-operated gas valve. Keep an eye out because we're going to have a separate video on setting this machine up to run TIG. You'll find a TIG parts kit located in this box. It contains parts like tungsten, collets, collet bodies, and gas cups. There's also a clear bag with contact tips, as well as a wrench to install them. You'll find some extra drive rolls along with a wing nut. We'll need this to set up the MIG gun, and I'll show you about that in part 2. Last but not least is the Ergo Plus MIG gun. This is an extremely nice MIG gun with a ball relief on the back. It makes it very comfortable to use. Also, the trigger is made for 2 fingers, so it doesn't cause fatigue. The parts are easy to disassemble and reassemble. Just overall, a very nice MIG gun. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please take a minute and hit the subscribe button under this video. Weldpro is committed to releasing tutorials and how-to videos to better help you hone your craft. Thanks again. From all of us here at Weldpro, we can't wait to see what you build with your MIG 200.
Our fourth pick is LOTOS MIG 175 amp. It provided for a .025-.030 wire diameter when you are using it with solid steel. This would also imply that you are using the MIG process. If you switch it to the flux cord mode, the wire diameter capabilities expand to between .030 and .035. As such, the flux cord option will work for thicker sheets of metal. This is meant to increase the stability of the feed and thus allow you to produce cleaner results. Some of the accessories that you can expect to be in the package include a gas hose, argon regulator, MIG gun, aluminum spool gun, and ground clamp cable. Last in our list is Hobart 500,559, Handler 140. Aluminum, copper, brass, and magnesium are just a few of the materials you can work on and weld with this device. If you feel that you don't have the money, you can always buy the basic setup, Then upgrade it with accessories later on. You as well have the voltage selector. This knob is there, so you can choose the voltage levels that will work for each project. This tool should also be able to work comfortably with household power levels, given that it only needs 120 V of power. Let's watch more.
Hi, I'm Shane with Hobart Welding Products. Today we're going to take a look at the Hobart Handler 140. This is a 115 volt, 140 amp wire feed welder. Features a 10-foot MIG gun. Also comes with a heavy-duty ground clamp and 10-foot cable. This unit comes with a roll of flux core wire so you can weld right out of the box, or it also includes the regulator and gas hose so you can switch over to MIG if you desire. Taking a look inside the Handler 140, you'll notice the welding setup chart that makes setting your machine up properly very easy. And if we look at the industrial grade cast aluminum drive system with quick release, that also makes changeovers very quick. It also has the polarity with easy access, so you can change from flux core to MIG very easily also. This machine, we have the small 2-pound roll-on, but you can also run the 8-inch spool, and it also comes with this adapter. Taking a look at the front of the Handler 140, you'll notice the slope control panel for easy visibility. Also features infinite control on your wire feed speed, and 5 tap settings allowing you to go down to 24 gauge steel and up to 1/4 inch steel. This machine also features a thermal overload protection light. In case this machine gets too hot, it will shut down and save the machine from any damage. You will experience excellent arc performance from the Handler 140 with a smooth, stable arc on all thicknesses. Designed and assembled in Troy, Ohio, USA, and backed by a 531 industrial warranty to protect your investment.